Hello students, we were discussing indicators. Indicators can be of two categories, namely natural indicators and artificial indicators. So let's get started with the chapter. So here we can see we have got two types of indicator. One is natural indicator, another one is synthetic indicator. Natural indicators, we have got litmus paper, China rose extract, red cabbage extract, and turmeric solution or turmeric powder can be used as an indicator. What are indicators? Indicators tell the nature of the substance, whether it is acidic or basic. Then synthetic indicators, they are man-made indicators or artificial indicators. Under this we have got two indicators, that is phenolphthalein and methyl orange. So let's get started and study more about indicators. As you know, we have already discussed about the litmus paper. Usually we have got two types of litmus paper, red litmus paper and blue litmus paper, and we know in base red becomes or turns blue and blue remains blue. But in case of acidic solution, when we dip these litmus paper, red and blue litmus paper, then in acid solution red remains red and blue turns red, and in neutral solution there won't be any change in color. So this is how they show the change in color, and they show whether the substance is acidic or basic. So whenever the ultimate color is coming red, it means acid solution. Whenever the ultimate color is coming blue, it means it's a basic solution. Okay. Now next natural indicator is turmeric. Turmeric turns red in basic solution, and it is used as indicator in the form of turmeric paper. You can make your own turmeric paper also with the help of one blotting paper. You can take a strip of blotting paper and you can soak it in a container having turmeric solution, and after some time you have to take it out and you have to dry it, and this will be your turmeric paper. You can use this as an indicator. So what will be the indication given by this in acidic and basic solution? So turmeric paper, you can see here, it is used as indicator in the form of turmeric paper, and turmeric turns red in basic solution. So let me write here, if it is base, so it will turn red. Okay, or we say brick red, basically just like brick red. And if it is an acid solution and you dip your turmeric paper in acid solution, then what will happen? It will remain yellow only. It will have it, or it will retain its basic color, that is yellow. So this is the indication. So you have to learn all the indications by these indicators. As in the case of litmus paper, you know what is the change in color, and in case of turmeric, if it is a base solution and you dip your turmeric paper in the base, then what happens? It will turn into a brick red color. If it is an acid solution and you dip your turmeric paper, it will remain yellow only. So this is how with the help of indications, color indications, indicators tell what is the basic nature of that particular substance. Now you must have observed that whenever you have yellow stain, for example this is your shirt and you have got yellow stain on it because of turmeric during recess, for example some turmeric stain is there on your shirt, and your mother uses soap. You know, soap is the basic substance. Soaps and detergents, shampoos, these all are basic substances. So what happens? This stain, on applying the soap, it turns red because soap you have applied, and soap is a basic substance. And turmeric, in case of basic substance, it turns brick red in color. So now this is the indication. That's why you should not apply soap directly on the turmeric stain, because turmeric is indicator and it show brick red color whenever it comes in contact with any base, and soap or detergent, these are the bases. Okay, so turmeric in basic solution it turns brick red in color, and in case of acidic solution it remains yellow only. So this is the indication by this indicator. Now next natural indicator is the China rose. You all must be familiar of the China rose flower. Very beautiful flower, China rose. It is also called hibiscus or gudhal. Gudhal in Hindi or hibiscus. It is also the natural indicator we obtain from the nature. And how it is taken, how it is extracted means taken from the red flowers of the hibiscus, China rose. What you have to do is you just see this picture which is shown here. Just see this picture. This is how they have made the China rose indicator. This is the China rose flower. You have to pluck 2-3 China rose flowers, okay? Then you have to crush it and you have to mix it with water and boil it and just strain it out. And whatever solution or the extract you will get, that will be the China rose indicators or China rose extract. This you can use as indicator. This you can be using as indicator. What will be the change in color? If it is, now see, this is the different change in color. Now this table is going to be very helpful. You can see here, if it is red cabbage, so it will become reddish when it is acid, and it will become green when it is base. And this same red cabbage juice extract is just like your China rose extract. So it will be same red cabbage. Even if you take out red cabbage juice or you take out China rose juice or extract, it will give the same result. You will see that that juice turns reddish, or you can say dark pink or magenta in case of acid solution, and it turns green or yellowish green in case of basic solution. So here red cabbage juice plus your China rose extract will be giving the same result. Okay, so till now we have discussed natural indicators. First natural indicator is litmus, which we get from the lichens. If it is red litmus paper, no change, because it will remain red in acid and it will turn blue in base. If it is blue litmus paper, then it turns red in case of your acid and there is no change. Blue will remain blue in base. Okay, if it is next natural indicator is your turmeric, which will turn reddish brown in base whenever you apply soap, etc. Soap, shampoos and detergent, all up in basic category. They are bases. Okay, so turmeric with base turn reddish brown, or you say brick red color. And in case of acid, no change. No change means it will remain yellow only. And for China rose extract and red cabbage juice extract, for both same result will be there. That is, it will become, you say reddish, or you say dark pink, magenta, or reddish color in case of acidic solution, and it turns green in case of base solution. So this is your homework, that till here you have to learn all the changes, basic changes which are happening in the indicators from here till here, including these are the natural indicators. Remaining all we will discuss in next class. These are the artificial indicators. So what you have to learn is change in color of red litmus, blue litmus, turmeric, red cabbage juice, and next one is your China rose extract. And for cabbage juice and China rose, result will be same. Thank you very much. Keep revising, keep smiling.